Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Geekly, and today we have some reactions to Eleven destroying the military helicopter in Stranger Things Season 4 Episode 8 with the title Papa. Dr. Brenner won't allow Eleven to leave the Nina facility until she's ready to face and defeat Vecna. After Eleven confronts Papa for his actions and motives, he will sedate her and use a collar to keep her under control. But Sullivan and his troops will storm the facility and kill everyone before Eleven recovers. On his attempt to escape with her, Papa will get shot and the sniper is aiming for Eleven next. Thankfully, Mike and the rest of the crew will arrive just in time to distract the sniper, giving enough time to Eleven to get back on her feet and use her powers to bring down the helicopter in epic style. But enough talk, let's watch some reactions.
Crush. Yes, come on. Crush it. Yes. Crumple it like a tin can. Come on.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, you fucking badass.
They're so excited. It's like the helicopter is a toy in her hands.
Oh, wow. What a great shot. What a great shot.
Oh my god. Oh, shit.
Holy crap. What a shot. Oh, my God.
Wow.
Come on, it's an awesome
Where's
scene.
that pizza I ordered?
30 minutes or it's free.
Oh shit! Even with the collar on, that's reduced power. Spike it.
Yep, ain't no restraints over here, bitch. No restraints over here, bitch.
I'm not sure if the collar is to reduce her power
In the worst way.
or to shock her in case she doesn't comply.
Spike it. Hey, it had to be done.
Yep, they're trying to kill her.
Get fucked. Get fucked.
Now look at him, fried onions.
You want to shoot a little girl? Get fucked. Get fucked. And that's with reduced power. That's with the collar on. Oh man, maybe it takes an extremely emotional response.
I wish they were playing Mini Men by 50 Cent. You should have played that song right now.
Yeah. Where's the poem me? Get
You had
fucked.
to do it. You had to do it. That's what I'm talking
Roast, motherfucker. Fuck with her again, see what happened to you.
about.
You lucky she ain't got escape.
And she did it with the fucking collar on. Y'all not fucking with Stop playing.
This guy.
Shit is real out here.
Yo, don't get me a fucking jersey that got the number 11 on it, dog.
Shit is real out here.
Girl is gone.
Hell yes.
Is she hiding?
That's fucking terrifying.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
She's pointing at me for some reason. Should I be worried,
crush
sir?
it. Right.
Yep.
Just crush it.
Fuck his aim up.
Let's fucking go.
Oh, shit. Yeah.
Oh my god. Just pulled it up.
On top of the entrance. Yeah. Rap.
Ah, the
I'm gonna go back to my
explosion
Anakin statement. That was fucking sweet.
And she just screamed the whole time. I want a poster of this.
A very practical explosion. I love it.
You see Eleven pointing you with her hands, you just
Fucking
jump from the
Papa, bro.
helicopter.
Useless Papa.
Oh, you're screwed. Uh-huh. Slam it.
Now she's just playing with
Yeah,
it.
she's toying with you. Fuck. Oh, no. Boom. Look at that shot. Don't fuck
Epic.
with 11. You okay? Don't pass out. Go back in there and save Dr. Owens.
I don't think that's gonna happen.
At least she fucked up all their vehicles, too.
Yeah.
She about to drop the helicopter in their fucking head.
Oh wait, what happened to the collar though?
No, she can still use her powers though.
He's like a tracker.
Uh-huh.
I feel like that's like the
That's
dog
the shit
collar.
that shocks her. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If it's not there if no one's there to really shock her, she's straight.
The only reason she wasn't using her powers before is because she was still in that Daisy shit.
Oh damn, she got hit
Did she?
Get hit.
in the shoulder, nah?
No, I thought it went right by her.
Wow.
That was on some savage shit right now, bro. Oh,
That was
crazy.
Beautiful right there.
Wow.
That's one of the most well-shot scenes right there.
And the look on her face is so intense.
And it sucks though, because
so
I
badass.
know undoubtedly she didn't want Mike to see that.
No, I don't think she cares, bro.
Yeah, she don't care, bro. Like, you see how much the world's going to shit?
Yeah, like, she don't give a
She
fuck. She
don't
gotta
care.
say her friends.
Oh wait, is it them?
Oh my god!
Hey, Pizza is here.
Oh my
Oh
gosh!
my gosh! As they're just like driving into this military thing.
We've got a civvy headed our way.
Oh my gosh!
Ignore
so funny.
it. Just take out the girl. Copy that. Ignore the civvy. Take the shot.
She's still there. Please say she moved.
Is she under him? Oh wait, no! Oh shit! Oh, here we go! Crush it! Oh my gosh!
Oh. She's gonna bring it down. Oh, here she's gonna. Oh my gosh! Like right on top of everything.
Oh my gosh! That is a crazy ass shot.
She also destroyed the other vehicles. That's why Sullivan is just watching them go.
She's gone.
At the end of the episode.
Oh, she's like
that's scary, bro. That is scary.
Oh, yo, you see her? She was like,
y'all thought y'all had her.
yo, they're missing because of the helicopter going crazy.
She's putting them in circles, bro. It's getting them sick. Wait, they might actually like fall.
No. Yo.
Whoa! Oh my god!
Oh, this shit is hot.
She's screaming the fucking sound!
Bro, that was
That
some
scene
crazy
was
big finale shit right there.
That scene was so fucking
scream.
fire, bro. She was screaming into the sky as an explosion
I can't
lights
even
up
believe
in
my
front of
eyes.
her, bro. She had to do it.
Damn, I'm gonna lift you up and then drop you from higher. Goodbye. Oh! And all your cars too, and all your vehicles. Get fucked. What a shot. Bam. Oh my god. Epic. Woo! This is a Michael Bay film? Michael Bay wishes he could do a shot like that with actual motion. That was one of the best shots in the entire show. Yeah. Ooh, whatever. They wanted the smoke. You try to shoot me with a 40 cal or 50 cal, whatever that was.
And she doesn't even realize it.
She's good! Ah! Yeah!
There she is.
Oh man! Oh,
They probably
ow.
have no idea about
man.
what she's capable to.
Oh, what a cool shot! Holy crap! Woo!
Found ya.
Even with the collar.
Oh, she found
Damn,
you.
even with the collar. Even with the collar. Is it off? Is it off? I thought it was on. I thought the collar was on. Come on. Crash it. Crash it. Crash it. Take it down. Yo. It's about to explode. Damn.
That
Yo,
scene reminds
she will
me,
be surprised to see the van.
It reminds me all their action movies, like A Lethal Weapon, for example.
The hell?
There she is! There she is! Where? Around all the dead bodies! Over to the dead bodies!
Jesus Christ!
You the couch!
The sniper is like to the pilot, dude, what are you doing? They have no idea about her powers.
awesome. Well done.
Woo! Well.
Too late. You're done, bud. Get it?
Look at her face while she screams so badass.
Bye-bye. Damn.
Found ya.
Well, it were. Oh! So that doesn't stop her from using her powers. What if he realizes how to compensate?
Don't crash the helicopter, just toss them out so you can use the helicopter.
Like any one of her friends knows how to fly a helicopter. Come on.
Maybe she can fly it with her powers.
Oh, she's gonna drop that shit. Like Zangief doing a pile driver. Yeah. God damn.
Whoa.
That looks practical. If that's CGI, that looks really good.
You're fucked.
Oh no! I guess it's a good thing he didn't activate the collar.
Everybody knows. Except from the poor sniper. And the pilot.
Holy shit. Oh shit.
Alright. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and for more reactions to your favorite TV shows, movies and video games, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also hit me in the comments with your thoughts on the scene, and if you believe Eleven will be able to defeat Vecna in the season finale of Stranger Things, and I will see you again tomorrow.